Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aliyah Rumini Larasati, with my ID number is 4192111004. I'm a student from Mathematics Education Study Program 2019. In this video, I will continue the discussion from the previous video. Today, I will explain what I know in the chapter 4, namely about numerical system development. We must know the description of ancient history of mathematics. The numerical system is a set of symbols and basic rules for writing numbers. The symbol that represents a number is called a numeral symbol of the number. Symbols that represent a number are called numerals. According to history, when humans began to recognize one writing historical area and carry out counting or counting activity, they were confused about how to give the number symbol. So, then we need a numerical system. That is a system consisting of numerical one and number. The numerical system is a rule of expressing or writing numbers using a numeral or number symbol. Number itself is an undefined abstract idea. Its number has many number symbols. A number symbol represents a number. Its number has many names. For example, the number 125 has the name of 125. It's consisting of number 1, 2, and 5. And then I will explain concept in numerical system. Some of the concepts used in the numerical system, there are the first one, adjective rule. Do not use the rule of place and the value of a symbol is obtained from adding up the values of the main symbol. The symbol is the same. The value is the same wherever it's located. The second, simple grouping rules. If the symbol use have the values and have additive rule. The third, rule of place. If the same symbol but different place have different value. The fourth one is multiplicative rule. If it has a basis, then it has a symbol of number like 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. and has symbol for B2, B3, B4, and so on. The next one, I will continue discussion about numerical system civilization. The first one, ancient Egyptian numerical system. According to history, the Egyptians are one of the most highly cultured nations. This can be seen from the very large buildings, such as pyramid buildings, sphinx, and the famous obelisks. Of course, the building was made by very intelligent human hands, because only a nation with high culture can create the magnification building, such as the Rihan mathematical papyrus and the Moscow mathematical papyrus, show that the Egyptian could calculate the four basic mathematical operations: subtraction, multiplication, and division using fraction, calculate the volume of cubes and pyramid, and calculate the area of square, triangle, circle, and shapes. The ancient Egyptians used a number system since the first dynasty around 2850 BC. The symbol of the Egyptian system are called hieroglyphs. Egyptian numerals use decimal base or base 10. For numbers 1 maintained in the form of stick, 1 until 9 still use 9 stick. However, the number 10 has a special symbol. Numbers have the form of a symbol. Numbers up to 900 still use the same symbol, as many as 9 pieces. The rules for writing the ancient Egyptian number, the first one, not familiar with a zero symbol. The second one, haven't used the place value system for free writing. The third one, using an additive system. The value of the number is equal to the sum of the value of its symbol used, and the value of the same symbol is the same even though the location is different. The fourth, using a simple grouping system. That is, if the symbol used have value 1 and 2 and 3 and etc. are addictive. The ancient Egyptian system had the value 1, 10, 102, 103 and was addictive. This is the ancient Egyptian numerical system. The second one, Babylonian's numerical system, around 2000 BC. At that time, people wrote numbers with a piece of wood on tablets made of clay. Babylonian script or numerals are often referred to as cuneiform because they are shaped like nails. The Babylonians wrote cuneiform using an elongated triangular shaped stick by tapping it on the wet slab of earth to produce a sharp triangular basin resembling a nail. There are several characteristics of the Babylonian number. 1. Using base 60. 2. Using place value. 3. The symbol used are like this and this. 4. Doesn't recognizing the symbol 0. The symbol for the Babylonian numerical symbol is like this. The third one, Greek numerical system, around 600 BC. The golden age of the ancient Greek is estimated to have occurred in 600 BC. The Greeks had recognizing letters and numbers which were marked by Greek writing on the bark or metal, so that the writing form looked stiff and strong. At that time, many mathematicians from Greece admired that their theoretical findings, such as Euclid, Archimedes, Apollonius. There are two Greek numerical systems. The first one, ancient Greek ethic. This numerical system developed around the 300 BC century and are known as acrophonic numbers because the symbols are derived from the first letter of the word that represent the symbol 5, tens, 100, 1000 and tens of thousand. Other symbols that underline this system, namely like this. Number 2, Ancient Greek alphabet. In 450 BC, Ionia people from Greece have developed a number system, namely the Greek alphabet, which consists of 27 letters. The base number they use is 10. Symbol used in the ancient Greek alphabet numerical system is like this. This is the symbol for ancient Greek numerical system. The fourth one, Maya numerical system, around 3000 BC. The Maya civilization had settled in the Central American region from about 2000 BC, although the so-called classical period from about 250 BC to 900 BC. The writing or number developed by the Maya are very strange in the shape. Maya numerical system have writing rules. Number 1. Have recognizing the zero symbol. Number 2. Use base 20. Number 3. Written vertically. The fifth one, China's numerical system, around 200 BC. This numerical system has been around since 200 BC. The Chinese write the numbers using a writing instrument called a pit, where the shape resembles a brush. The writing is in the form of picture or pictogram that has high artistic value. This is the symbol from the Chinese numerical system. The sixth one, China's Japanese numerical system, around 200 BC. The numerical system has been around since 200 BC. The Chinese wrote the numbers using a writing instrument called a pit, which resembles a brush. The writing is in the form of picture or pictogram that has high artistic value. The Chinese numerical system, it's called the stamp system, has a pledge value, developed around 230 BC. The Chinese use three numerical systems. The first one, Hindu-Arabic system, and the other two use local numerical dexic, which were disguising for commercial and financial divine in 18 for Greek. As for Japan, it also used the Chinese numerical system. Although it differs in pronunciation, after the Japanese Empire began to be influenced by Euro, the Arabic numerical system was used. In the Japanese number system, numbers are divided into a group of 4 digits. So a number like 10 million actually reads as 1,000, 10,000. So just that because of the influence of the Western world, numbers are always written with 3-digit grouping of Western style. Here is the Chinese-Japanese numerical system. The 7 Roman numerical system, around 100 BC. The Roman used numbers for their calculation. Roman numerical symbols are written in capital letters, which are in line with the talk of the Greeks. In ancient times, the ancient Romans used a spread numbering system that was very different from the number system in today's era. Roman numericals only consist of 7 numbers with certain letter symbol where each letter symbolism has a specific number meaning. This is the symbol of Roman numerical system. The last one is Hindu-Arabic numerical system. Around 300 BC until 750 AD. Historical, this system originated in India around 300 BC. They didn't use place value and didn't have a zero symbol. They start using a place value system estimated to have occurred in 500 AD. The Hindu-Arabic numerical system used a place value system with a base of 10, which is influenced by a number of fingers, namely 10, derived from the Latin dens, which means 10. This numerical system is often called as a decimal system. It is not known exactly when and where the beginning of the zero symbol was used. There is only some conjecture that its zero symbol originated in Babylonia via Greece. Hindu-Arabic numerical system has the several properties. Number 1. Using 10 basic symbols called numbers, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Hindu-Arabic numerical system has several properties. Number 1. Using 10 basic symbols called numbers name, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 2. Numbers greater than 10 are expressed to powers of 10. Number 3. Has place value. Number 4. Additive. This is the symbol for the Hindu-Arabic numerical system. Okay, I think it's enough. That's all I can explain about chapter 4, namely numerical system development. If I have something mistake, please apologize me. And then, thank you for attention. See you in the next chapter. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.